month, so I'm gonna try and film this unboxing before my camera dies and before I run out of space. But I have a very exciting unboxing again. Do not come for me. Instagram got me again because I was just like watching people's stories and stuff, and then a Coach outlet ad came up and it was like with the new spring colors and stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to look. So I looked and I bought some things. So the package literally just got here like a few minutes ago and I'm unboxing it right now. Like I said, I'm gonna try and do it before my camera dies, but I need to quit ordering things from Coach. Like, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna start off with the wallet again. So here's the wallet. These colors are so cute. It was like their spring collection, and I need to stop buying purses because if you saw my Coach soft tabby bag, you would have seen that I was like, I'm not a purse person at all. Like, I don't really buy purses that often, and now I literally can't stop buying them. So I need to actually, like, I'm going to actually stop buying them. Like, this is getting a little absurd, but this is how the wallet looks. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is the Lonnie small zip around wallet in signature Jacquard. It's in the retro yellow. This is so cute. So here's how it looks on the inside, your little card holders, and then you can put like actual bills right there. This is really cute, and like I really love that you can get like a matching wallet and purse. So I'm gonna go from smallest to medium to largest. So that's the first thing I got. I just absolutely love this. This is the Nolita 15, and I don't know why, I just love like how small it is. So this is the Nolita 15 in signature canvas with Dreamy Veggie print, which I don't know why I love this print so much. Like, it has like a little radish on it, and I don't know, I just love like weird stuff like that. I don't know, I just love, like, I know it's so small, but I don't know, that's the reason I love it. Like, I don't know why, I just love how small it is. It's so cute, and like the print, that is so cute too. Like, it just has a little like vegetables and stuff on it, and like a pear on the back, and then like the flowers. I just thought that was so cute. And it has like a little pocket that you can like put stuff in, but it's really just like a small little like carry or catch-all bag or whatever. So I just love this so much. And then you can undo this and make it just like a little wristlet kind of situation. So I may just put this in like another bag, because I don't think I would actually carry this by itself. I guess if I'm like at an event or something, I would just carry it by itself. But it's so cute and so small. Like, I love it so much. It's like, ooh, my little bag, my Nolita 15. I thought that was so cute. And now for the purse. This is like a style that I've never gotten before, because I was like, okay, I was stuck between like two crossbodies, and I was like, no, let me get something like I've never gotten before so I can like justify getting another purse. So this is so cute. So if you are wondering, this is the purse that I got. I'm gonna hide the tag really fast. This is the purse I got. It is absolutely stunning. This is the Dempsey Tote 22 in signature Jacquard with stripe and Coach patch. And again, it's in the retro yellow colorway. This is so cute, and like I said, I don't have any like little like bags like this. Ignore my outfit, I just had on like some nicer clothes, but then I changed. I love this so much, and like I said, I don't have any bags like this. And I also got it because if you're new here, hello, subscribe, but I graduate college in May. My school's colors are like gold or yellow and black, and I was like, boom, graduation purse. Like, hello, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's like, look at this. And I also unboxed the strap that goes with it just so I can do like a little try on really fast. I'm probably not going to use it with the strap, but you know, we can see how it looks with the strap on. I like to do my straps with like this part in the back. So this is how it looks with the strap. It looks so cute. I love it. Yes, that is the Coach order I just placed most recently. Like I said, I need to actually stop shopping there because I'm spending literally all of my money there. But I mean, come on, it's like screaming summer. Like yellow is just, I love this, like this combination. And then like I said, I may put this bag in here. Perfect. And like you can fit so much in here, and it does like button close, but I don't think there's okay, there's one little pocket on the side, but other than that, it's all open. If you haven't watched any of my other Coach unboxings, I will link those above. Go check them out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, I used to not be a purse person, but then I started realizing how much they really do add to an outfit. Shout out to all the people who comment on my like Coach unboxing videos. Like everyone is so like, oh my gosh, they're so cute and stuff, and I love knowing like what other purses other people got and stuff, and like that my videos are like helping people decide which purses to get. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Have a great day or night, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!